Hi people, today I wanted to show you how to fix polygon to turn back face pulling off, because I had troubles with selecting this side of polygon. It is still possible, but if you want to turn this off, because I couldn't select this, first of all, include backface pulling polygons surrounding edges. I just wanted, if you want to turn this off, you can go to options, OpenGL, display options. I found a very useful option, this one here, and I deselected this, so you can see polygons from this side as well. Because this time I had problems with turning this on back. Display options. Azimuth. Elevation. It's a little bit too dark. I think this is because for example, if I go back again to performance and I will turn this back on, you cannot see all edges at once. There are some useful options. Unfortunately, I don't need the high quality. I wonder what to do in this case, because of this shaded texture. But mainly focus on display options, because I found why I couldn't see all polygons if you deselect this, because I had to deselect this. I think I have to add light to the scene. Because I'm using cycle surrender engine within application Softimage. I have to finish model of the terrain. And another interesting thing I was thinking to turn this on is enable fog. It can help you a bit, so it's not too dark the scene, so you can see polygons back there. When you zoom in, zoom out, your edges will still be visible, because I need to finish model of my terrain. But the most important thing is how to disable invisible polygons.